So, folks, if you have clicked on the video link on my post, I'm grateful to you. So, what we are exploring here is Constellation. Constellation is nothing but a talent management tools that allows even the last mile employee to fairly design their IDP, clearly understanding the skill gap requirements for the role they aspire to take, and perhaps not wait for a set list of mentors to reach out. Rather, use the tool and start their own individual development journey by reaching out to the right set of people. Let's take example of Maya here, our employee 001, right? I have a default password here for the demonstration. So now what as soon as you click on the tool, it brings you to career passport, which essentially talks about where are you with respect to your current role. So if you see, Maya is at a 93% with respect to her current role. She has decently updated the profile, it seems to be okay. Now Maya one fine day decides that, hey, I do not want to be in my current role of pricing manager. In fact, I would want to switch lanes, and I would want to see what is the other role that I could take up. And she doesn't want to do a vertical jump. She wants to do a drastic change in her career, right? Fair enough. Let's do that. So perhaps she wants to take up a role which is more, a little different. Uh, let's select. So maybe she wants to take up the director revenue operation role. Fair enough. It's a 52% fit, and she's definitely having some gaps that she'll have to bridge. It's clearly visible with the help of the spider chart here. Fair enough. Let's set that as our target role, right? And what we'll use the API keys to build a path, as in how can she reach to that goal at the earliest, right? Using the talent that's already available in the organization who could guide them. So, okay, the tool has done its analysis at the backend, and what it suggests is that, hey, she has a storytelling gap. She needs to work towards that, right? She needs to learn that. She needs to do courses. And see, it has also suggested that you can reach out to Emmy Erickson, right? That would help, fasten up your journey. Then it has highlighted the RevOps gap, and she could learn it with Rio Kowalski, right? So a fantastic tool which highlights clearly what are the skill gaps, what are the suggestions, or what are the routes they can take, and of course, who could they reach out within the organization. Let's say Maya is still further confused why these individuals, right? Great. So what it will do, the tool will clearly call out why this individual, what have they got, which would help enable her journey faster. Yeah. So I personally feel a tool like this, which, of course, in a skill based economy, and now as talent management becomes more skill based, a well defined, org within the organization, I think this could be the next big evolution. And I think this would allow even the last mile employee to help really draft their individual development journey without waiting for leaders and HRs to reach out, right? This will democratize talent management.